Hey everybody, I had a gentleman call me. He's got a really nice GMC pickup truck. Had something fall on it in the garage, put a big whack in the back quarter panel. And I'm gonna fix it for this gentleman today in just a couple hours using paintless dent removal. Okay, here's the damage. Passenger side, it's about 6 inches long. It's through a body line. It's got a little dent underneath it as well, some scratches. Gonna take care of this today, just a couple hours. Get this guy back on the road, dent free. Let's do it. Alrighty, here's a little tip to take out a taillight. This is on a GMC truck. A little tip that I always do is I take a little bit of paracord and I thread this paracord in where the light is. And now I'm gonna try to get that all the way down and on a pull straight back. Two screws on here that go into these retainer clips, these little orange clips here. They're really tight. So if you just simply undo these screws and try to pull the light out, you'll break these clips. You could break these screws. Fish that paracord back around here. So then when I pulled on the cord was pulling against the hole of the light instead of just trying to pry off the edges. So it's just a quick little tip for getting these lights out so you don't break them. Got the tail light out, got the fender liner down. I took this fender liner out, but it really doesn't give me any access. It's all double metal. There's a small hole up top, but the dent's down there, so not gonna be able to get a tool on it from there. So I had to go with the tail light. This is what the inside looks like. So you can see the back side of that dent. So this is perfect, it's wide open. I am gonna have to fish a tool in through that hole. So we'll get on that dent down there, start pushing. So I'm midway through the repair. If you like this video, you like learning how I fix dented cars, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get on with it. So here's the finished product. This was pretty tricky to get out. Had to take the light out, go through that way. A lot of pushing, a lot of pulling, a lot of sanding, a lot of knocking down, but it looks pretty good. Got it polished up, customer's on his way. I think he'll be very pleased. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll share some more with you. Have a great day.